everyone, it's me, Carrie. I'm super excited today because I'm doing a gorgeous, fierce eye makeup featuring the Hollywood Icon Face Kit in Berry Diva by Brow Bar by Reema. This kit is amazing because it comes with blush, contour, highlight, translucent powder, and 4 beautiful eyeshadow shades in it. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my foundation and my brows. I'm starting out by misting my face with the DIVALUSCIOUS facial spray and then going in with the iconic London illuminating drops for a little glow under the skin before my foundation. I go ahead with the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation all over my face and then use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer under my eyes. I'm using the translucent powder in the iconic face kit. I'm going to get the perfect brows with the Bombshell Brow Kit. I start by brushing out my brows and then going in with the Brow Bar by Reema pencil. I'm lightly filling in with the medium shade brow powder. Then I go ahead and clean up my brows with some concealer. I like to use a eyeshadow base or concealer on my eyes. Today I'm using the P. Louise Blank Canvas. I'm starting out with the lighter matte purple eyeshadow, and you can see here the shape that I'm giving has a lot of lift. It really goes upward, so I'm going to start by mapping out the shape. This shape is what's going to give it the attitude. After one side is complete, I'm going ahead and working on the other side and mapping out that same shape, checking as I go to make sure they're pretty even. I'm adding some of the darker purple shade in the outer corner of my eye, and you can see I'm pressing in with my finger to get the most pigmentation. Then I'm using the shimmery purple color in there. It is so beautiful to give a little bit of shine on my lid. My little tip is to use translucent powder to blend out and diffuse your eyeshadow. This will make it blend beautifully into your skin. I'm taking the medium purple shade and going under my eye just on the outer half. Next up, we're adding some highlight under the brow bone and in the inner corner. I'm blending that out a little bit with my finger as well. I begin to add eyeliner, and I'm going to give a pretty dramatic wing today to balance out with the purple color. We need mascara, of course. And I'm taking a black pencil liner going in my waterline and also under my lash line on top. You can see the difference that makes. I'm using the Berry Diva face kit for my contour and also for my blush. I like to put a little bit of color on my nose too. I'm not doing any sort of harsh contour, keeping it nice and soft today. And I'm topping everything off with some highlight on the high points of my face. The makeup look is not complete without our lip products. I wanted to add some shine to my look today. We are almost done with our look. Our final step is lashes, and what better lashes to go with this fierce dramatic look than the Brow Bar by Reema lashes in Drama Queen. I'm adding a thin layer of glue and then my lash application. And that is the complete look. I hope you guys love it. Lips, lashes, face, eyes, brows, all of it brought to you by Brow Bar by Reema. I love their products. Their kits are amazing, so be sure to check them out. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.